Hello friends. In this video I want to teach you how to register on the WhiteBIT exchange. You go to the exchange section, you select WhiteBIT and click on Go to Website. You enter the website. You can register in two ways, by linking your account to Google or Apple, or manually. We click on Sign Up. In the registration section, you enter your email address. In this part, in addition to your password, which I recommend using uppercase and lowercase, letters, numbers, and symbols, and if you have a referral code, you enter it here. By clicking, you check the website's terms and confirm them, then click on Continue. A code will be sent to your email for email verification. You log into your email. Select WhiteBIT Exchange, copy the code provided, and enter it in this section. You will enter your account dashboard. Your kind of account also has been created. In the next video, you will see a tutorial on verifying your account on WhiteBIT. Good luck.